Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to my channel. So right now it is 5:50 a.m. in the morning. I just woke up and it is time to get ready for school. All right, let's go. Good morning, hope you enjoyed that little getting ready montage. I literally take an hour in the morning to get ready because I like a slow and leisurely morning. So I did a lot more than what I put in the montage, but that's just some of it. Right now I'm waiting for the bus to go to school. Today is a pretty jam-packed day. I've been getting so many requests to do a day in my life video, and that is what this video is gonna be. I'm sure my day is gonna be very different than yours because I have school, I have a video release today, I have a bunch of other things going on. It's a crazy busy day. I'm gonna take you guys along with me so you can see what a day in my life is like. All right, let's go. The bus is almost here. Good morning. All right, so we just finished davening and now it is breakfast and then it is classes. So nothing exciting happening yet. All right, right now I'm in second period. I obviously can't vlog during class. Class is about to start in a second, so I'll see you guys during my next free. And now that's my free, I'm gonna do some work. Oh, I gotta get ready for today's YouTube video upload that's going up in like an hour. So one of the most asked questions I get is how do I balance everything? And this is really how, like anytime I have a free or a teacher ends early, I'm doing work. So right now, after I finish this like segment I'm doing on the vlog right now, I'm gonna be getting ready to upload today's video, making sure all the pictures are ready, the description of the video is ready, the links are where they need to be, and that's how I get it done during the school day. Because when I actually upload my videos is during the school day, because that's like the optimal time for uploading at 12. So there's just a lot that goes into it. All right, I gotta go to work. Okay, so I just finished doing all my work and I have a little bit left time in my free, and I want to show you guys this insane cafeteria that my school has. Like, it's empty right now because it's not actually open, but they let me in so that I can show you guys how awesome this is. Because when it's actually lunch, it's gonna be crazy packed and I won't be able to film. But now it's empty, as you can see, and let me show you what they have, like everything. Okay, so here's where like the main food is, and today the lunch is a banh mi sandwich. Okay, how bougie is that? There's, what's this, fake chicken over here? Fake fried chicken. We have sandwiches, mushrooms, Brussels sprouts, curly fries, which is the best thing ever. Lasagna, salmon. What's that over there? Garlic bread. Oh my god. And then over here is the pizza. What type of calzone is this? Cheese. Over here we have regular pizza. Then there's Steven back there who makes the best pizza ever. Which one is this?
That's whole wheat.
Oh, that's whole wheat.
I can be very gentle with that one.
All right, I'll back up so we can see. Oh my god, that's so cool. Then they also have a full salad bar over here that I might get today because I know I had a candy bar for snack. Then for dessert, if you want, they have full not soft serve ice cream, sorry, frozen yogurt with all the toppings. Then also, if you want a different type of dessert, you can get actual ice cream over here. So there's just literally a billion options. There's a coffee machine, there's another coffee machine, fruit, more fruit, and then all the drinks over there. So it's just a lot. Oh yeah, and then there's also, not done yet, there's also slushy machines, bagels with a bagel toaster, and then all of the pizza over here. So there's just an endless amount of food. I mean, you have to pay for everything, like it's a la carte. It's so good. Seriously, like the best cafeteria in the world, hands down. One time I'll do like a full tour. I guess this was kind of a tour, but another time, comment below if you want to do a video, like a full tour, maybe even cooking in the kitchen. Oh, that'd be so fun. Okay, I'm gonna see if that can happen. Okay, so the cafeteria actually just opened, but I have class now, so I'm kind of pre-gaming for lunch with one slice pizza, which I do every day before my actual lunch. Okay, so it's been a bunch of periods. Had class, not that exciting, so I didn't vlog it, and I'm probably not allowed to vlog in class. But right now I just got lunch. I'm in the library now, and look how amazing this is. Like, this is the Bami sandwich. Like, my school is so bougie. Like, look at this. Like, I so appreciate how extra my school is, so I figured I would show you guys me eating it, and then I have to go release today's YouTube video, which when you're watching this just came out this past Monday. So yeah, let's just try it. Okay, it's gonna be a big bite. I'm gonna take a bite from over here. I have sauce on my face. We're actually really good. Okay, so this is actually like really good. Like the fake chicken they use is like so good. It tastes just like chicken. The texture is like chicken. The sauce is like a little spicy, a little sweet. It's just really good. All right, time to publish my new video. And I think it should now be live on my channel. Now this is only half the work. Now I need to post about it on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to let everyone know. Hi guys, okay, so it is now last period. I have another free. I've been busy just like being a student in class. I really can't vlog in class. And I just went to the cafeteria to see what snack they had. And believe it or not, my school had deep fried Oreos for snack. So I was just walking up here to film it. And by the way, I'm really not allowed in my school to like video anyone. It's like a rule in our school, and I've been trying to respect the rules. So anyone who's like in the background, I'm gonna try to blur their face out. But if I have permission from someone, I can. So I was walking by. Also, I know it looks probably like I have no friends because it's just me talking to you guys. That's because I can't include one. But I'll include one person because Ariella wanted to eat these deep fried Oreos with me. So here, you can have this one.
Thank you.
Let's just try it. Or you can do a reaction face. Like people love reactions.
Sure.
Okay, ready? Let's try it. Not good.
Really good. Wow.
I only got half an Oreo. Oh no,
I
it's
think they
vanilla.
changed it from last year.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
it's good. That would have cost me a whole 75 cents. All right, good. I'm gonna go back to work now. Hey guys, all right, so I'm now back from school. I'm home, and my nights basically go is that I divide up my night between doing my schoolwork and doing my Chef Eitan work, as I call it. So right now I'm doing some schoolwork. I am working on an essay. I'm gonna study some math homework. Then after that, I need to actually start editing this video because when you see this video was only recorded like 3 days before. So I got to start editing this video. I have to respond to some emails. Prepare tomorrow's Instagram post. There's just a lot to do. We're gonna kill the game tonight. And I think my mom made some Indian food for dinner, so I'm very excited, but pending, because I'm not sure if that's true. Okay, I'm gonna get to work because this essay will not write itself. Okay, it is now dinner time, and my mom made tonight for dinner like an Indian chickpea dish with some rice. So right now I'm cooking up some roti bread, as you can see, to eat along with it. And as usual, just looks delicious. And then I'm gonna eat that, and then I have a lot more schoolwork to do, so I'm gonna eat this quickly. All right, so I'm going to end my night now and go to sleep because I'm literally so exhausted. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my day. I think it was a pretty good day. We had a delicious lunch at school, then a really good snack after. I was super productive. I hope you guys enjoyed watching kind of this little peek into what my normal day is like. It's not super exciting as like always. Sure, there are certain exciting days, but I go to school, so you know, it's kind of the usual. I hope you also enjoyed seeing like how I balance everything, that you really got to see like how I do it all, because that's what I get asked most, like, Eitan, how do you balance it all? It's really just determination and knowing that when I have a free, I gotta work on either homework to make up so I have time tonight to work on Chef Eitan stuff, or work on Chef Eitan stuff so tonight I have time to do homework. That is how I do it. If you guys like this video, comment down below. I want to hear, do you want more days, like a day in my life, maybe a day on the weekend, so you can see what a weekend is like when I'm doing my photo shoots, my video shoots, and all that. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button down below and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Also, I want to hear from you. Comment down below, what is your school day like? All right, thanks for watching. Bye.